Welcome to the ASTRO. In this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to invert your x or y axis in a Python plot. Here you can see a plot, and you can see that this is the plot of exponential of x, and here you can see that here x axis is increasing and y axis is also increasing in the y direction. So what we have to do, we have to invert our x and y axis in this plot. Let's see how it appears on the plot. So let's do it, and we'll be inverting both the axes. So first we'll invert x-axis. So for that we'll plot a simple graph. So import some libraries, NumPy and Matplotlib. Now you can define your x and y data. So you can say x equal to np dot clean space, say 1 to 10 data points. Only you can give y equal to np dot exponential x. Now you can plot your x and y data. So see, it appears in this fashion. You can see here, here x is also increasing from 1 to 10, and y1 is also increasing from 0 to 20k. Now suppose you want to invert x-axis. So for that, type here. So give a comment here. Invert x-axis. So for that, type command here, plt dot, type here plt dot gca function and dot invert underscore x-axis, right, and give the function. Now run the code. So here you can see that this time your x-axis, the left origin is at 10, and at the right it's a lower value. So this way you can invert your x-axis. Now suppose you want to invert your y-axis. So for that, just copy this code and paste in that cell. So go to copy the whole code. So copy this code and paste here. And what to do here? Just do here y-axis. Now run the code. So here you can see that at the topmost of y-axis there is 0, and at the bottom it has higher values. Okay, so this way, and also your x-axis is like same as the original figure, and your y-axis has been inverted. So this way you can invert your x and y-axis in Python plots. So this is the code for inverting x-axis, and this is code for inverting y-axis in the Python plot. So I hope you have learned that how to invert your x and y-axis in a Python plot. So thank you.